Mooncakes this year are expected to cost some 10% more thanks to inflation. And that means a box of 4 mooncakes, which cost $68 last year, could cost you $75 now. Despite the price hike, some retailers are reporting higher sales thanks to a boost after mask restrictions were eased. Heidi Young with more.
Traditional Cantonese pastry shop Tai Chung Kok has been around for over 85 years, but business is slowing.
Perfect storm, hyperinflation, border closure, which means labour tight. China lockdown not helping me because we import seeds from China direct, you see. The global warming not helping me because the global warming will affect all the harvests worldwide.
Mr. Ham is the third-generation owner of this family business. He's been forced to downsize it from 24 outlets island-wide to just 10 in the last 2 years.
Everything went up. So even my lorry, a van, to buy a new van, a new lorry, it cost me a lot of money.
He's had to raise prices by almost 20%. Still, he's managed to sell about the same amount of mooncakes as previous years, more than 300,000 in total. Another pastry retailer, Madam Ling Bakery, increased its cost savings by planning for this year's Mid-Autumn Festival 1 year ahead compared to its usual 6 months.
We do see some delay in our raw ingredient shipment, but because of the early forecast, so there's actually pretty much lead time for us to wait for the delayed ingredient to come in. So in terms of production, it's pretty smooth still.
Although she's had to raise prices by between 5 to 10%, sales has grown by more than 60% this year thanks to strong demand.
Despite the more expensive mooncakes this year, some stalls here at the Mooncake Fair say they're seeing higher sales than even pre-pandemic levels. And they say it's really because it's the first event since mask restrictions have been lifted and people can come down here to sample the products and also get a feel of the packaging.
With the Lunar Festival looming, some shops are slashing prices and offering one-for-one promotions to clear stock. But it's not a strategy that all are willing to adopt.
During the early bird, we do a huge discount, maybe 1-for-1, 40% off, 35% off, just to start the thing moving, right? I think we are moving at full price now, right? So because we do not want our consumers to feel that, you buy an early bird, you get a good discount. Then after that, I start throwing even a higher discount at the last minute.
The 2-year-old brand, which specializes in durian mooncakes, didn't raise prices this year. Instead, it made up for its slimmer profit margin by selling a third more pastries.